7:24, northwestern Madison County in north central Alabama, northeastern Limestone County in north central Alabama, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:29 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Athens, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Thunderstorm, Madison, Athens, Redstone Arsenal, Meridianville, Moores Mill, Harvest, Marshall Space Flight Center, University of Alabama in Huntsville and Alabama A and M University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Limestone and Madison.